Guys, as you know, when our YouTube channel gets monetized, YouTube starts showing ads to our YouTube channel so that we content creators and YouTube itself can or can earn some money showing ads on their platform, right? But do you know YouTube can regulate the amount of ads showing on your YouTube channel according to the content, and this can drastically affect the earning or the amount you are getting on a monthly basis from YouTube. And the amount of ads YouTube is showing to your YouTube channel is called ad suitability. If it is best suitable for the brands or for the advertisers who want to show their ad, then the number of ads which will be shown into your YouTube channel will be high. And if your content is not meeting with the criteria of the brands or the advertisers who is advertising on YouTube, then the ad suitability will be low. Basically the number of ads which will be showing onto your YouTube channel will be low, and the earning which you are getting from AdSense will also be low. Right now, I'll show you how you can ask YouTube to show ad as much as possible on your YouTube channel. But this is for a temporary basis, because on a first glance when you upload your YouTube, for when you upload your YouTube video, you get the option to approve that your YouTube video can show ads as much as possible. But after some time, if you are wrong, then YouTube will automatically limit the number of ads which are being shown on your YouTube videos. Right, so let's directly jump into the Creator Studio and I'll show you how this thing works. So guys, I'll tell you about the ad suitability, that how this directly affects the earning of your YouTube channel, right? The amount of being shown on your YouTube channel and how much money you will earn from that, right? So as you can see, all the videos on my YouTube channel is monetized, right? And this ad suitability thing works with the monetized channel, right? If your channel is not monetized, then there's no point. Now let me upload one YouTube video so that I can show you the ad suitability option. Let me select the video, and yeah, let me select this one and let it upload. Now in the first option, I need to fill in all the details, as you know that this is pretty simple. Then the second option appears on the monetized channel only. If I turn on the monetization, if I turn off, there is no point. But if I turned it on, it will show ad suitability. If I turn it off, then you will not see any kind of ad suitability option. So this is basically for the ad monetized videos only, right? Now let's click on the ad suitability. Now you need to understand that what is this ad suitability thing is. It is very important, because in your videos content, title, description, or the keywords, this type of content is being there, then you need to reveal that this type of content is in my content, like violence content, shocking content, recreational drug content, enabling dishonest behavior. So these, if there is this kind of content in your YouTube channel, or I mean in your YouTube video, then you need to reveal in this particular section. Like if I click on this inappropriate language, if I click on this one, then it will show that this is safe for ads, right? So if my content is matching with this particular criteria, then my YouTube video is safe for the ads, right? So YouTube also need to confirm that your video is good for the advertisers, right? So they need to keep safe their advertisers as well, right? Now if I select this one, extreme profanity and used in the title and the thumbnail, so if I select this one, as you can see, limited ads, which means if I select this option, then there's a high chance that the amount of ads will be decreased and might even directly remove the ads, right? So you might thinking that will not reveal that this type of content is there in the YouTube video or the description. But after some time, when you upload and if you don't reveal it, then YouTube's AI automatically checks all the videos published on YouTube channel, right? So they will automatically find out that your content have any kind of profanity or drug kind of thing, right? So if it is not there, then you need to click on none of the above, which means you are asking YouTube that there is no any kind of thing in my YouTube video, and then you need to click on submit rating, right? But if there is any kind of content which is related to this, and then you click on this none of the above and submit rating, then YouTube will find you out and definitely will limit the ads which is being shown on your YouTube channel. And even if you are doing multiple times, then YouTube can take major action on your YouTube channel. It even you can get a strike on your YouTube channel, right? So keep this thing in mind. If your content has this type of content, then you need to reveal directly to the Google, right? Now I hope you understood that what is this ad suitability thing is, and I hope you got to know that why it is important to reveal that your content have this kind of thing and this kind of topics in it, right? Now if your YouTube channel doesn't have any kind of basically this type of content, then you can directly click on the none of the above and click on submit rating, because you know that there's no any kind of problematic thing in your YouTube channel, right? So you know that which kind of content you have created and what kind of keywords, what kind of title and the description and the thumbnail you have created, right? So whenever you are uploading your next video and if your channel is monetized, keep this thing in mind. You need to honestly reveal that which kind of content or which kind of topic your content have, right? So let me wrap up this video here. I'll be meeting you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.